approach. The most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life forms in the galaxy.
Hey, do you guys validate?
But on today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure percent to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is all your fault.
Oh, we used to get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord. Although they do call me the leader.
Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelia Tobon's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant slandering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Exit to the back, stay together, folks, and you'll find yourselves separated on our tour.
I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
This is the moment I've been waiting for.
They barely kept it. They did nothing. We did all the fighting. But they did not help us at all.